You've seen the headlines. The 2026 housing market recovery is on pause. Rates are back above 6.5%. Fewer homes are hitting the market and buyers are pulling back. But here's what those national headlines don't tell you. What's happening right here in Katy Cypress and West Houston is a completely different story. And today I'm going to break it all down for you. Hi everyone, I'm Marysol Calvillo, your bilingual real estate agent serving Katy Cypress, Hockley, Spring, and all of Northwest Houston and West Houston. I've built my entire business around one principle, helping you make informed decisions through education, strategy, and clear communication. That's the Marysol method. So let's get into it. According to Zillow's June 2026 report, the spring housing recovery has stalled. New listings fell 4.1% below last year's levels in May. Sales are down nearly 3% from last year. Mortgage rates shot back up to 6.5%, pushed the typical monthly payment about 1% higher. And household finances are under pressure from inflation. But here's the silver lining that the headlines bury. Mortgage payments are still about 3.1% lower than they were in May of last year. Affordability has actually improved over the past 12 months, even if it doesn't feel that way. Now, let's talk about what this means for you if you're a buyer in the market specifically. First, inventory is up. You have more homes to choose from than you did a year ago. That 30-month streak of rising inventory nationally is showing up locally too. Second, homes are sitting longer. In Katy, the average home is on the market for about 31 days right now. That's your leverage. When a home has been sitting for 3 to 4 weeks, sellers get anxious and anxious sellers negotiate. Third, and this is the big one, sellers are now open to paying for rate buy downs. Here's how that works. The seller contributes money at closing that goes towards buying down your interest rate. So instead of paying 6.5%, you may pay 5.5%. That difference in your monthly payment could be hundreds of dollars. Houston also ranks as one of the most affordable major metros in the country right now. Over 30% of our listings here are considered affordable for a medium income household. Compare that to Austin at 27.7%, Dallas at 31.2%, or anywhere in California, and you'll see why Houston is still one of the best places in America to buy a home. My advice, get pre-approved before you start touring, not pre-qualified. Pre-approved, that means a lender has actually verified your income, assets, and credit. It shows sellers you're serious and lets you move fast when you find the right home. Now, for sellers, I'm going to be honest with you because that's what I do. It's not 2021 anymore. You can't just put a sign in the yard and expect 10 offers in 48 hours. The data is clear. 66% of homes in Katy are selling under list price right now. That doesn't mean you can't get a great price. It means you have to price it correctly from day one. Here's what I tell every seller that I work with. Price based on what's sold in the last 30 days in your specific neighborhood. Not last year, not last spring. The market has shifted and buyers are doing their homework. The good news is presentation still wins. Homes that are priced right and show beautifully are still moving. And if you're strategic about it, knowing your negotiation floor before the first offer comes in, being open to a rate buy down contribution, you could still get a fantastic result. That's exactly what the Marysol method is designed for. Optimize the outcome. Whether you're a first-time buyer trying to figure it out, if now's the right time, or a homeowner thinking about selling strategically, I want to help you make the most informed decision possible. That's what I do. Call or text me at 713-213-9593. Visit my website at marysol.com. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And I post local Houston market updates and real estate education every week. I'm Marysol Calvillo, and I'll see you on the next one.